Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering American English. Today, we're diving into some advanced American English phrases that you'll hear frequently in everyday American conversations. If you're eager to sound more natural and fluent in American English, these phrases are just what you need. In this American English lesson, we'll break down each phrase, explain its meaning, and show you how it's used in real-life American dialogues. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of fresh American expressions ready to use in your conversations. So let's jump right in and enhance your American English skills.
What's up? Meaning, a casual greeting used to ask someone how they are or what they are doing. Dialogue.
Hey Mary, what's up?
Not much, just finishing some work. What about you? Hang in there. Meaning, used to encourage someone to persist through difficult times. Dialogue. I'm feeling so stressed with all these deadlines.
I know it's tough, but hang in there. You'll get through it.
No worries. Meaning means, don't worry about it, or it's no problem.
Sorry, I couldn't make it to the meeting yesterday.
No worries, I filled you in on what you missed. I'm on it. Meaning, indicates that someone is taking care of something or will do it right away. Dialogue. Manager, can you update the sales report for today's meeting?
I'm on it. I'll have it ready in 30 minutes.
Take it easy. Meaning, used as a farewell or to advise someone to relax and not work too hard.
I've been working non-stop all week. I'm exhausted.
You should take it easy this weekend and get some rest. Piece of cake. Meaning, this means something is very easy to do. Do you think you can fix this computer issue?
Sure, it's a piece of cake for me.
Hit the books. Means to study hard. Dialogue. Friend, want to go out tonight?
Student, I wish I could, but I need to hit the books. I have an exam on Monday.
Cut to the chase. Meaning, means to get to the point or focus on the main issue. Dialogue. We've been discussing this for hours, and we just cut to the chase.
Alice, sure, the main problem is our budget is too tight.
Under the weather. Meaning means feeling ill or sick. Dialogue. You don't look well today. Are you okay?
I feel a bit under the weather. Think I'm catching a cold.
Break a leg. Meaning, a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Dialogue. I'm nervous about my dance performance tonight.
Performer, you'll be amazing. Break a leg.
Bite the bullet. Meaning means to face a difficult situation with courage. Dialogue. I've been putting off this dentist appointment for months.
You should just bite the bullet and go. You'll feel better afterwards.
Spill the beans. Meaning means to reveal a secret. Dialogue. Group of friends. We know you have a secret. Spill the beans.
Okay. I'm planning a surprise party for Sarah.
A dime a dozen. Means something is very common and not special. Dialogue. These souvenir shops are everywhere.
Yeah, they're a dime a dozen around here.
Hit the nail on the head. Meaning means to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Dialogue. Boss, we need to figure out why sales are down.
I think it's because our prices are too high compared to our competitors.
You hit the nail on the head, that's exactly the issue. Get out of hand. Meaning, this means a situation is becoming difficult. Control. Dialogue. Boast. The party was supposed to be small, but it got out of hand when everyone invited their friends.
Guest, I noticed. There were people everywhere.
Pull yourself together. Meaning, to calm down and behave normally. Dialogue. I can't believe I failed the exam. I feel like crying.
Pull yourself together, Anna. We can study together for the retake.
The ball is in your court. Meaning, it is up to you to take the next step or make the decision. Dialogue. We've given you all the information you need. Ball is in your court now.
Got it. I'll review everything and get back to you with my decision.
Burn the midnight oil. Meaning to work late into the night.
You look tired. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my project. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to reveal a secret or surprise by accident. Dialogue. Sophie, I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Oh no. I hope Jane doesn't find out before the party.
Bite off more than you can chew. Meaning to take on a task that is too big or difficult to manage. Dialogue. Boss, do you need help with that project? It seems like a lot for one person.
I might have bitten off more than I can chew. Some assistance would be great.
Throw in the towel. Meaning, to give up or admit defeat. David, I've been trying to fix this computer all day with no luck.
Maybe it's time to throw in the towel and call a professional.
On the same page, meaning to have the same understanding or agreement. Dialogue. Before we move forward, let's make sure we're all on the same page.
Agreed. We need to align our goals and strategies.
Take it with a grain of salt, meaning to view something with skepticism or not to take it too seriously. Chris, I heard a rumor that the company is downsizing.
Take it with a grain of salt. There hasn't been any official announcement.
Barking up the wrong tree, meaning pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action. Dialogue. Detective, I think the suspect might be someone else.
You're barking up the wrong tree. We have solid evidence against him.
Hit the ground running, meaning to start a task or project with a lot of energy and enthusiasm. Dialogue. New employee, what should I focus on first?
We have a big project coming up, but you'll need to hit the ground running.
Up in the air, meaning uncertain or unresolved. Do we have a final decision on the new office location?
No, it's still up in the air. We'll know more next week.
Jump on the bandwagon, meaning to join others in doing something that is currently popular or fashionable. Dialogue. Everyone at work is doing the new fitness challenge.
I might as well jump on the bandwagon and join too.
Through thick and thin, meaning to stay by someone's side no matter what happens. Best friend, thanks for being there for me during my tough times.
Of course, we've been friends through thick and thin.
Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Colleague, do you ever go out for dinner?
Once in a blue moon. I usually prefer cooking at home.
Break the ice, meaning to initiate conversation in a social setting or to make people feel more comfortable. Dialogue. Host, how do we get everyone to start talking?
We could play a fun game to break the ice.
In the nick of time, meaning just in time at the last possible moment. Did you make it to the meeting?
Yes, I got there in the nick of time.
On the ball, meaning alert, knowledgeable, and quick to respond. Boss, great job on that report. You were really on the ball.
Thanks. I wanted to make sure everything was perfect.
Keep an eye on it, meaning to watch or monitor someone or something carefully. Dialogue. Garrett, you keep an eye on the kids while I make dinner?
Sure, no problem.
Call it a day, meaning to stop working on something, especially for the rest of the day. We've done enough for today. Let's call it a day.
Agreed. We'll continue tomorrow.
Eat around the bush, meaning to avoid talking directly about something. Stop beating around the bush. What are you trying to say?
You all right? I was just nervous. I wanted to ask if you would come to my party.
Go the extra mile, meaning to make a special effort to achieve something. Manager, I appreciate you going the extra mile with this project.
Thank you. I wanted to make sure it was done right.
Play it by ear, meaning to decide how to deal with a situation as it develops rather than planning. Dialogue. Friend, do you have a plan for the weekend?
Not really. Let's just play it by ear.
By the skin of your teeth, meaning barely managed to do something. Dialogue. Colleague, did you finish the report on time?
Yes, but by the skin of my teeth.
Take a rain check, meaning to postpone or reschedule an invitation or offer. Friend, want to grab coffee today?
I'm swamped with work. Can I take a rain check?
Give someone the cold shoulder, meaning to deliberately ignore someone. Anna, why is Mark giving me the cold shoulder?
I think he's upset about the argument you had yesterday.
In hot water, meaning in trouble or a difficult situation. Sam, I forgot to submit my assignment on time. Now I'm in hot water with my professor.
Alex, you better talk to him and explain the situation.
The last straw, meaning the final problem in a series of problems that causes someone to take action. Dialogue. Colleague, I can't believe they messed up the order again. This is the last straw.
Let's talk to the manager about finding a new supplier.
Get the hang of it. Meaning to learn how to do something well. Dialogue. New employee. I'm still getting the hang of the new software.
Don't worry, it takes time. You'll get there.
Jump the gun. Meaning to do something too soon or before the proper time. Dialogue. Why did you start without us?
I guess I jumped the gun. I thought everyone was ready.
Put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning to risk everything on a single venture. Investor. Are you sure about investing all your money in this one stock?
I know it's risky, but I believe in the company. Just hope I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket.
Pull someone's leg. Meaning to joke or tease someone. Friend, you won the lottery? Really?
You. No, I'm just pulling your leg.
Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Shopper, that new phone costs an arm and a leg.
I know, but it's worth it for all the features.
Hit the nail on the head, meaning to describe exactly what is causing a situation or problem. Dialogue, boss, we need to figure out why sales are down.
I think it's because our prices are too high compared to our competitors.
You hit the nail on the head. That's exactly the issue. Get out of hand, meaning when a situation becomes difficult to control. Dialogue host. Party was supposed to be small, but it got out of hand when everyone invited their friends.
Guest, I noticed. There were people everywhere.
At corners, meaning to do something the easiest or quickest way, often at the expense of quality. Dialogue. We can't afford to cut corners on this project.
I agree. We need to maintain our standards.
Bend over backwards, meaning to go out of one's way to help or accommodate someone. Client, thank you for arranging everything on such short notice.
No problem. We're always willing to bend over backwards for our clients.
Cut to the chase, meaning to get to the point without wasting time. Manager, we've been discussing this for hours. Can we just cut to the chase?
Sure. The main issue is our budget is too tight.
Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed. Friend, it's getting late. I'm going to hit the sack.
Good idea. I'll head to bed soon too.
Under the weather, meaning feeling ill or sick. Dialogue, coworker, you don't look well today. Are you okay?
I feel a bit under the weather. I think I'm catching a cold.
Kick the bucket, meaning to die, informal and often used humorously. Dialogue, when I kick the bucket, I want you to have my old guitar.
You don't talk like that. You'll be around for a long time.
Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Colleague, do you ever go out for dinner?
Once in a blue moon. I usually prefer cooking at home.
The elephant in the room, meaning an obvious problem or issue that people avoid discussing. Dialogue, remember, we need to address the elephant in the room.
I agree. Let's talk about the budget cuts.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel, meaning to give up or admit defeat. Dialogue, athlete, I've been trying to improve my time, but I just can't do it.
Don't throw in the towel yet. Let's keep working on it.
Break the ice, meaning to initiate conversation in a social setting or to make people feel more comfortable. Host, how do we get everyone to start talking?
Friend, we could play a fun game to break the ice.
Burn bridges, meaning to destroy relationships or connections. Be careful what you say to the boss. You don't want to burn bridges.
Good point. I'll try to handle it diplomatically.
Keep your chin up, meaning to stay positive and optimistic in difficult situations. Dialogue. Friend, I just lost my job. I'm really down.
Keep your chin up. Something better will come along.
Miss the boat, meaning to miss an opportunity. Investor, did you hear about that new startup? It's booming.
I know. I wish I'd invested earlier, but I missed the boat.
Sit tight, meaning to wait patiently. Dial a customer. When will my order arrive?
It's on its way. Just sit tight.
The tip of the iceberg, meaning a small part of a larger problem or situation. Inspector, these safety violations are just the tip of the iceberg.
We need to investigate further to find the root cause.
Take it with a grain of salt, meaning to view something with skepticism or not to take it too seriously. Dialogue, Chris, I heard a rumor that the company is downsizing.
Take it with a grain of salt. There hasn't been any official announcement.
Jump on the bandwagon, meaning to join others in doing something that is currently popular or fashionable. Dialogue, Emma, everyone at work is doing the new fitness challenge.
I might as well jump on the bandwagon and join too.
In the heat of the moment, meaning overwhelmed by what is happening in the present moment, often leading to impulsive actions. Why did you say that to her?
I was just caught up in the heat of the moment. I didn't mean it.
Speak of the devil, meaning when someone you were just talking about unexpectedly appears. I wonder when Joe will show up.
Friend, speak of the devil. Here he comes now.
Steal someone's thunder, meaning to take attention or praise away from someone else. Coworker, she announced her promotion right after I shared my good news.
Sounds like she stole your thunder.
Blow off steam, meaning to release pent-up emotions or energy. I'm so stressed out from work.
Let's go for a run to blow off some steam.
Get a grip, meaning to regain control of one's emotions or situation. Dialogue. Friend, I'm so stressed about this project, I can't think straight.
You need to get a grip, take a deep breath, and tackle one thing at a time.
Give someone the benefit of the doubt, meaning to choose to believe the best about someone, even if there are doubts. Ella, colleague, I heard he missed the meeting on purpose.
Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe there was an emergency.
Pull the plug, meaning to terminate or discontinue something, especially a project or plan. Manager, the project isn't meeting our goals. Should we continue?
It might be time to pull the plug and reallocate our resources.
In the loop, meaning to be informed and involved in a situation. Dialogue, new employee, how do I stay updated on the latest changes?
Coworker, I'll make sure you're kept in the loop with all the important emails.
Off the hook, meaning to be freed from a difficult situation or responsibility. Friend, I was worried about having to help with the event, but they canceled.
So you're off the hook. Enjoy your free time.
Thanks for joining me today as we explored these essential American English phrases. I hope these expressions and their examples help you navigate everyday conversations with greater ease and confidence. Remember, mastering these phrases takes practice. But try to use them in your daily interactions and see how they fit into your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on improving your English skills. Share your favorite phrases or any new ones you've learned in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, keep improving your English. See you in the next video.